Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you trigonometric ratios in which I will tell you the relation of theta with the sides. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B is what? Right angle triangle, and angle A and C are acute angles. What are acute angles? The angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means the angles between 0 and 90 degree are acute angles. Not 90, it's less than 90 and more than what? 0 degree. They are acute angles. So in the right angle triangle, there will be two acute angles. Okay, so in this figure, A and C are acute angles. So first, the relation of what? Sine A. Sine A. Sine means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. What do you mean by sine A? A is what? A is called theta. Angle. A is what? Theta. Angle. So the side opposite to angle A is BC, which is perpendicular for this theta. Okay. If it is perpendicular, then base is what? AB. For sine A. Sine A means the side opposite to angle A is perpendicular and AB is base. Okay. So what is sine A? This is BC upon AB. It means BC is what? Perpendicular opposite to this angle A, and AB is what? Base. Not this. Oh, sorry. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. So what is this? This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Number 2. This is sine C. Sine means what? Sine means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here sine C. The angle is what? C. If it is C, it means the side opposite to angle C is what? AB, which is perpendicular. And now BC is what? Base for angle C. So what is sine C? Perpendicular opposite side of angle C is AB, which is perpendicular. So this is AB upon hypotenuse AC. So what is sine A? This is BC perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine C, it means if theta is angle C, then opposite to angle C is side what? AB, which is perpendicular. So AB is perpendicular and hypotenuse AC. Okay, clear? Now third one, cos A. The same thing, cos A. What do you mean by cos? This base upon hypotenuse. Cos means base upon hypotenuse. And A is what? Theta, angle. So the side opposite to angle A is what? Perpendicular. If it is perpendicular, then which one is the base? AB is the base. So base upon hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to base is what? AB upon hypotenuse again AC. Clear? In the same manner, cos C. Cos C means theta is C. So side opposite to angle C is what? Perpendicular. It means base is what? BC. So what is cos C? This is BC upon hypotenuse AC. Okay, clear? Again, what is A? A is what? Theta. C is what? Theta. The side opposite to these theta are perpendiculars. Therefore, opposite to angle C is AB. opposite to angle A is what? BC. So the relation of A and C is what? The relation of A and C is what? A is theta, C is also theta. These are two acute angles in this triangle, and side opposite to these angles are perpendicular always. Clear? Now fifth one is what? Tan theta. Tan A. Again A, angle A. The side opposite to angle A is what? BC. What is tan theta? This is perpendicular upon base. So A means perpendicular is what? BC, and the base is what? AB. Clear? Sixth one, tan C. If theta is C, means which one is the perpendicular? AB is perpendicular. So it is AB upon base BC. So these are what? The six trigonometric ratios, relation of theta with the sides. Okay. Now I am going to give you one example regarding this relation. Write down one question. If angle A and C are what? Acute angles. If angle A and C are acute angles. Example. If angle A and angle C are acute angles in a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, and sine A is equal to 4 upon 5. Sine A is equal to 4 upon 5. Then find what? Sine C cos A cos C tan A and tan C. Okay. So what is this? Suppose this is what again? A right angle triangle A, B and C. A right angle at B. Here what? Sine A is what? Sine A is 4.5 means sine A 4.5, and the side opposite to this angle A is what? BC. Means perpendicular BC is equal to 4 centimeter, and what? Sine perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This AC is equal to what? 5 centimeter. Now you should find this AB. You need to find side AB using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, AB square is equal to 5 plus square plus 4. Okay, we need to find AB. So it is AB square minus hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So AB square is equal to 25 minus 16. So AB is what? Under 9. And AB is what? 3 centimeter. It means the side AB is 3 centimeter. If it is 3 centimeter, then we need to find what? Sine C. Therefore, sine C. What is sine C? The side opposite to angle C is AB. So sin C means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is this? If it is 3, so it is 3 upon 5. Okay. Now we have to find cos A. Cos A. What? A side opposite to angle A is what? BC. Okay. If it is perpendicular, then what is the base? AB is the base. So it is 3 upon hypotenuse 5. Now cos C. Cos C means the side opposite to angle C is what? Perpendicular. It means what is the base? BC is the base. So cos C means base 4 upon 5. Now we have to find tan A. Tan A means the side opposite to tan is what? The side opposite to angle A is what? Perpendicular. So this is what? Perpendicular. So tan A means perpendicular is what? 4. This is 4 upon base 3. Now tan what? Tan C. Tan C means the angle, the side opposite to angle C is what? Perpendicular. So this is now tan C means perpendicular is what? AB. Now this is AB upon the base is 4. So not write AB, just write the value of AB, which is 3, and this is 4. Base is 4. So this is all about the relation of the sides, with their angle in trigonometry. Okay. So now we will proceed to the next topic. Now we have to find the values of theta. What are the values of theta in trigonometry? Suppose the value of 0 degree, value of 30 degree, value of 45, 60 and 90 degree. Sin 60, sin 0 degree, sin 90 degree. Now you should know what are the values of these angles. Okay. Just write down all these.